If your legs feel weak, stiff, or tired, stop scrolling. Because just 1 spoon before bed could make your legs feel 20 again. And almost no one's talking about it. I'm serious. People over 40 are using this and waking up with stronger, lighter legs the next morning. It's not a pill, not a workout. It's a simple nighttime spoon of this natural mix that helps your blood flow and muscle recovery while you sleep. 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of turmeric, a drop of honey, mix in warm water. This combo boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, and feeds your muscles overnight, especially if your legs cramp, swell, or feel restless. Try it tonight. Just 1 spoon before bed, and you might wake up feeling like you swapped legs with your 20-year-old self. Your legs carry you through life. The least you can do is give them 1 spoon of care before bed. Save this video and try it tonight.